Hey, it's Al from Hey Performance. This is a remote control actuator for a garage door. The customer wanted to turn on his high beams and have it push the button on his garage door remote control for 2 seconds. So I built this thing. I've got my power supply. My rudimentary switch is just me touching the wire here. Power input is the red and black wire. Got the controller. It's got an LED right there. And then the normally open contacts show up here. So when you see the light come on, it's connecting the two wires together until the light goes off. So we're going to pretend to turn on the high beams. And you saw the thing activate for 2 seconds and then turn off. Thanks for having a look.